All right, so I just want to take a look at kind of removing one of these social logins for us. So if we come up here to account and sign in, we're going to be using Facebook and Twitter, but I want to get rid of Google. We're not using Google as part of this project. So how can we get rid of that? Let's go ahead and take a look at that real quick. So we're going to do two things. One, we're going to come into resources. We're going to come into config, application.yaml. Probably don't need to do this, but I'm just going to get rid of this here and have that be that. I'm also going to come into the front end. So if we go into source main web app, if we look under app, shared, login, there's a template here. And at the very bottom has our 3 logins here. Let's just go ahead and remove that. So let's go ahead and save that. That should go ahead and compile. And if we come back here, let's go ahead and count, sign in. And so now all we have is our Facebook and Twitter logins. So that's a quick way to go ahead and remove Google as one of the social networks that you can use to log into your JHipster application.